What if I told you the secret to learning English isn't talent? It's just 20 small habits repeated on purpose. No shortcuts. No magic app. Just habits. And I'm about to give you all of them, one after another, fast. Stick around, because tip number 4 is the one that changed everything for me. Let's start at the beginning. There was a time I didn't understand a single word of English, and honestly, it scared me. So I did one simple thing. I started listening, every day. Stories, songs, anything I could find. At first it was just noise. Then slowly, word by word, the noise turned into meaning, and the fear disappeared with it. That's tip 1. Listen every single day. Not for hours, just consistently. Your ears learn the shape of a language before your mouth ever can. Quick question for the comments. What's the very first English word or phrase you ever remember understanding? I want to know. Tip 2. Speak, even badly. Practice makes perfect sounds cliché until you actually live it. I spoke English every day, mistakes and all, and here's the thing. The mistakes weren't the problem. They were the lesson. Don't wait until you're ready to speak. Speaking is how you get ready. Tip 3. Read simple things first, not novels, not news articles. Start small, a short story, a picture book, anything with a simple plot. I once read a tiny story about a lost cat. Nothing fancy, but I picked up new words without even trying because the story pulled me forward. Tip 4. Write a little every day, not essays, just a notebook. What happened today, who you talked to, what you're dreaming about next. I filled pages with mistakes, and every single one taught me something. Writing forces you to actually use the words you're learning, not just recognize them. Tip 5. Watch videos, cartoons, shows, anything entertaining. You're not just hearing the language, you're hearing how it's actually spoken. I remember a cartoon about a dog that made me laugh so hard I didn't even notice I was learning new words. That's the trick. When it's fun, it sticks. Here's a pattern you'll notice through all of this. The people who improve fastest aren't the ones who study the hardest. They're the ones who make it enjoyable enough to keep showing up. Tip 6. Talk to real people. Friends, strangers online, anyone. I had a friend who spoke fluent English and we talked every day. She corrected me gently, I absorbed it, and within weeks I sounded completely different. If you don't have someone yet, you can find learning partners online in minutes. Tip 7. Be patient with the process. This one's hard to hear, but it's true. There is no one-day version of fluency. I had days I felt stuck, days I wanted to quit. I didn't. And slowly, without noticing exactly when, I got better. Tip 8. Keep a dictionary within reach, physical or on your phone. New word, look it up, use it in a sentence immediately. That last step matters more than the lookup itself. Tip 9. Turn it into a game. Word games, quizzes, puzzles. I played word games with friends just for fun, and somehow learned more from 30 minutes of playing than an hour of studying. Tip 10. And this one's underrated. Try to think in English. It feels awkward at first, like translating in slow motion inside your head. But one day, without trying, you'll catch yourself just thinking in it. That's the moment everything speeds up. Tell me in the comments, have you ever caught yourself dreaming or thinking in English without realizing it? That's a bigger milestone than people give it credit for. Tip 11. Set small, specific goals. 10 new words a week, 1 page a day. Nothing huge, just something you can actually hit so you feel the win. Tip 12. Review what you've already learned. New information fades fast if you never revisit it. A 5-minute look back each week does more than people expect. Tip 13. Stay positive, especially on the hard days. Remind yourself why you started. That's it. That's the whole tip. And it matters more than almost anything else on this list. Tip 14. Stop fearing mistakes. They're not failures. They're the fastest teacher you'll ever have. Tip 15. Enjoy the process, not just the outcome. The people who stick with this long enough to actually get fluent are almost always the ones having fun along the way. Tip 16. Surround yourself with English. Switch your phone language. Play music in the background. Read signs, labels, anything. Immersion works quietly, in the background, while you're not even trying. Tip 17. Repeat things, out loud, more than once. Repetition feels boring in the moment and pays off enormously later. Tip 18. Use new words immediately. Learn beautiful, and suddenly everything is beautiful for a day. The sky, your coffee, your terrible haircut. Using a word cements it faster than reviewing it ever will. Tip 19. Don't rush. This isn't a race against anyone else. One word a day is still progress. And tip 20, the one I'd pick if I could only keep one. Connect what you learn to your actual life. Don't just memorize sunny. Use it to describe the weather outside your window right now. The moment language becomes personal, it stops being homework. There are more habits I could give you. Flashcards, podcasts, different accents, TV shows, apps. But here's the real truth underneath all of it. None of these tips work in isolation. What works is picking 2 or 3, doing them consistently, and letting the rest come naturally over time. Learning English is less like a test and more like planting something. Every word is a seed. Every sentence you manage to say is a small bloom. Some days nothing seems to be growing. Then one day, you look back and there's a whole garden. So tell me, out of everything in this video, which tip are you actually going to try today? Drop it in the comments. I want to see what you pick. And if this helped you even a little, send it to someone else who's learning right now. It might be exactly what they need to hear today. Keep learning. Keep showing up. I'll see you in the next one.